Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be disclosing all the ingredients present in the Drunk Elephant Bora Repair Cream, and this is how the moisturizer looks like. I wanted to do this video for a very long time because I love Drunk Elephant Company and I wanted to see the different formulation. I wanted to tell it to you guys and I wanted to make you understand how the formulation works and if these products from the Drunk Elephant Company are good to purchase. Let's get into the ingredients now. So the first ingredient is water, and continuing to that is glycerin, then propanediol. So there are humectants in a higher concentration, and after that there are different emollients that retains the moisture into your skin. There is shea butter, there is citral alcohol, citral oleate, there is jojoba seed oil, there is squalene. So these all are emollients. They act as a shield. They protect the water from getting lost from the skin. They retain that moisture, helps with the hydration, helps with enhancing the softness on the skin. So these ingredients are really good. In this cream, there is one high selling point, that is glucosylceramide. It is a very well known ingredient. It is very good to have a healthy skin barrier just because this glucosylceramide is present in our skin. Okay, and it helps to hold the two skin cells together. There are different plant-based ceramides as well, but this is something that is naturally occurring in our skin, and this helps to improve the skin texture, helps with the dryness. So this cream can be used by Caucasian as well as skin of color, and the formulation doesn't have any fragrance in it. It doesn't have any denatured alcohol or any let's say allergen that can lead to triggering your skin. So this is well formulated in general. Then there is magnesium ascorbate phosphate, which is a type of vitamin C. It's a water soluble vitamin C. So it helps to lighten the dark spots because vitamin C is known as a powerful antioxidant. It is known to improve the pigmentation marks on your skin by helping to remove the melanin decomposition. This formulation, I'm just loving it. It's so good and it is so thick. It is good for the people who are suffering from extremely dry skin. And there are three types of ceramide, that is plant-based, that is ceramide AP, NP, and EO. These ceramides are very good because they help to fill in the gaps between your cells, and they kind of help with the elasticity and plumpness, which is helping to have a healthy skin barrier. There is alpha glucan, which helps to improve the hydration on your skin because it's derived from rice. Rice water is known to improve the skin fairness, and it is good for people who are suffering from pigmentation. So it's used in Asian culture for a very long time. So alpha glucan is a very innovative ingredient that's been added. And looking at the formulation, there is a good amount of ceramides and there is cholesterol. So ceramides and cholesterol play a very important role in having a healthy skin barrier. So this formulation does give you that. There is vitamin E in a very lesser percentage, that is tocopherol, and that is essential to remove the free radicals from your skin and improving the healthiness. And also there is vitamin F, which is very essential to have that hydration, even out hydration on your skin. So these are the essential ingredients that you need to have in the moisturizer. And this one is really good because they came up with a moisturizer which has all sort of essential ingredients necessary to have a healthy skin barrier. And I like the formulation. It has also plant extracts, so be careful while using it. Try to do a patch test and then see how does it work for your skin. Looking at the formulation, I'm so impressed by the Drunk Elephant Company. I know that their products are really good, but what is the cost of this product? This product retails for $69 US, which is quite pricey. But if you want a cheaper alternative, there is CeraVe moisturizing cream. It does the same job because it has a plant-based ceramides in it and also has cholesterol, and is really good as well because it has been formulated with dermatologists. So if you want a cheaper alternative for this cream, you can go for the CeraVe one. Now the question arises, who all can use this cream? This cream can be used by Caucasian as well as skin of color, and you can be dry skin type and you can use this cream. Normal to combination skin can also use it. Normal skin type can also use it. This is good for the people who are having a ruptured skin barrier towards the dry skin type, and if you have oily skin, it won't be that suitable for you because you are already producing enough oil and your skin is intact. You need something else for your skin. My personal takes about this product: I will definitely purchase it if I can lay my hands on it. I really like the formulation. It is out of the box. There is no fragrance ingredient. I love the packaging as well. It just pumps out a little bit of product, and it's in a pump kind of a moisturizing tub that is very good because there is ceramides, and ceramides are very unstable in the presence of oxygen, so it's very hard to retain the shelf life of the ceramides. So the packaging is well done as compared to CeraVe one, but this one is something that I will definitely go and purchase because it has such amazing ingredients in it, all in lesser percentage. Nothing is overdone. The more is the humectant and water, which will help your skin to hydrate, and also the humectant playing the important role by grasping all the water molecule from the surrounding and then helping it to go into your skin and hydrate it. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. So I will see you soon with another video. Bye.